off your sophisticated style next time you go to a cute dinner party. These will look really pretty with an A-line dress to really accentuate your style and give you a really fun and comfortable feel under your feet. These offer a faux leather upper with a toe strap at the front, and the ankle strap does have an adjustable buckle closure. These have such a comfortable insole that'll give you a lot of support, and there is a synthetic lining with an awesome heel at the back, which is a block heel to make these very easy for you to walk in. Underneath, they offer a synthetic outsole that's textured to help with some traction under your feet, and these will be just the thing you need to add to your closet this season.